everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nivi. For today's look, I went for something super bold, out of my comfort zone. I rarely wear dark lips like this, but let me know in the comments if it is a nice look. I'm not sure if I like it, but yeah. As you can see, I'm going for, since it is like almost autumn, yay! I went for like an autumnal, very deep dark purple plum look. You guys know I love autumn season and I am glad everything is like feeling autumnal at the moment. I was thinking to go for like a rusty brownie shade, and then I kind of changed my mind last minute. Let me know if you want another look, autumnal look, like a brownie sort of look. I am happy to do that for you. So yeah, if you'd like to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. As you can see, I'm wearing jumpers. It's jumper season and I love wearing jumpers. So anyways, for the eyes today, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette. It's the one of the 3 Color Theory palettes from Beauty Bay. This one is the Origins one. This one has the warm neutral shades, and as you can see, I'm going to be going for the kind of dark purpley look. So I thought this palette would be suitable for the look that I'm going to be wearing today. Yeah, and these palettes are only £25. So yeah, I will link everything, all the products I use, everything, all the shades will be mentioned in the description bar below. Moving straight onto the eyes, I've already filled in my brows using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony. And I'm going to be taking LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. Use that as an eyeshadow primer. And then blend it all in with my Beauty Blender. I do need to get my hands on any Beauty Blender. I feel like this one's almost like falling apart. Got holes in it and everything. And then obviously, as usual, set it in place with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I'm going to go for a subtle purpley eyeshadow look since I'm going very bold on the lips. I'm going to try and keep it subtle. I have a feeling it's going to turn out very bold, but yeah. So as you can see here on the eyeshadow palette, on the side here, it says which row you can use for what. So this one is for the base, this one is for the transition, this one is for the crease, and this one is for the eyeliner, and this one is for the pop. So I'm guessing pop is for like the inner corners. See, these ones are shimmers, and then the shimmer and highlight, these ones are for the highlight. So it makes it easy, it's like really beginner friendly. So obviously for the base, I usually use the Laura Mercier translucent powder, but then I'm gonna go over that with, I'm gonna use this one. And then working my way down, I'm gonna be taking this as a transition shade. So I'm gonna apply that all over my crease. And then for the crease, I'm going to be taking this shade. Ooh, it's quite bright, very pigmented. I might tone it down with a bit. Just going to go over that with this kind of brownie shade for the crease, just to tone down the pink. And then for the, this is liner, but I'm going to use it as an eyelid shade. This one over here. These eyeshadows are very pigmented as well. For the price, you get a good eyeshadow palette. Going back into this transition shade. So I'm going to do a winged eyeliner using my Bourjois liner pencil. For lashes, I know I've been using this a lot recently. I love these lashes. These ones are by Pink River, and this one is in the type Crystal. Just apply the glue. So whilst I wait for that to get tacky, I'm just going to apply my lashes, my mascara. The reason why I apply mascara before applying my falsies is that I don't want the mascara to get onto the falsies. Otherwise they'll get kind of dirty really quickly, and I prefer to do it this way so it keeps it kind of clean and makes it last a lot longer. Okay, now that I've applied my lashes, I'm gonna go over the glue with eyeliner afterwards once it's dried completely. And now moving on to the face, I'm going to be priming my face with the Fenty Beauty Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Bronze. And for concealer, I'm using the usual Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. And then I'm going to set it in place with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And then for contour, I'm going to be using Fenty's Matchstick in the shade Truffle. And then I'm going to go over that with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. If I can open it. This palette is like falling apart. I'm taking the shade in the middle. Finishing off my eyes, going back in the palette. I'm going to be taking this same shade I used for the lid. And then for the inner corners, I'm going to be taking this shade, the purpley highlight shade. And for highlight, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby. Just going to quickly go over my eyeliner. And then for lips, I'm using these two. I'm using the NYX lip liner in the shade Plum. And then using this Kylie Cosmetics lip shade in the shade Cool K. I'm not sure if this is discontinued. But similar to this, there's a cheaper alternative which is from Sleek. It's a Matte Me lip paint in the shade Vino Tinto. I'll link everything down below. Ooh, very dark. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Again, if you do decide to recreate this look, tag me, like if you post a selfie on Instagram or anything, tag me in it and I will give you a shout out on my Insta stories. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss my future videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.